In this video we will learn how we can create a checklist in Google Sheets. Now first of all, once we've got our table, we want to go to the checklist and highlight all the column, and then you want to come up to insert. Do this, come down, and then you want to go to tick box, and then as you can see we have now got a tick box. So the next step will be to add in a status. So first of all, let's select the first cell under status, and then from here what we can do is go equals and then if. Select this and then put in a open brackets, and from here what we want to do is select the first checklist line, and then we want to go ahead and put in equals and then true. We then want to put in a comma and then a quotation mark, and then we want to write in done, put in another quotation mark and then a comma. What we want to put in then is a quotation mark and then pending, quotation mark and then a close bracket, and then once we've done this what we can do is we can click on enter. Once we do this, as you can see, you will get this right here, and then you want to drag all of these down to the bottom of your table. Now when we go ahead and click on the checklist to say that we've done this specific task, as you can see it will say done in the status bar. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can create a checklist inside Google Sheets. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and without further ado, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.